Welcome back to the adventure. Buckle up, because today's episode is absolutely packed with highlights. After taking in the last views at the Torrox Lighthouse, we hop over to the beautiful town of Nerja. We'll take you straight to the famous balcony of Europe for some serious sightseeing. But hold on tight, because things get a little spicy. We leave the coast behind for a white-knuckle drive, taking a dangerous road deep into the mountains to find the mysterious lost village. And we're not stopping there. We continue our journey all the way to the desert of Tabernas, where we park our rig at the coolest spot in town, Camper's Top Route 66. From sea views to mountain roads and desert vibes, let's get this road trip started. From Torrox Costa, it was just a short hop to our next destination, the beautiful town of Nerja. We parked the camper bus and went for a lovely stroll through the town. Even Canute seemed to be loving the vibe here. We headed straight for the most famous spot in town, the balcony of Europe. Did you know this wasn't always a viewpoint? It used to be a fortress, Castillo Bajo, to protect the coast against pirates. But sadly, it was destroyed during the war in 1812. The name actually comes from King Alfonso XII. Legend has it that when he visited Nerja after an earthquake in 1884, he stood right here, looked out over the Mediterranean, and shouted, "This is the balcony of Europe." And honestly, he was right. After soaking up that royal view, it was time to relax. We grabbed a refreshing drink on a terrace, and just enjoyed the fantastic atmosphere of Nerja. After exploring Nerja, we went looking for a place known as the Lost Village, or in Spanish, El Acebuchal. But getting there, that was a challenge on its own. The navigation sent us onto these narrow, winding mountain roads, and at some points, the asphalt just disappeared. We were driving right along the edge of deep cliffs, with no guardrails in sight. I definitely had sweaty palms holding that steering wheel. But then, suddenly, it appeared right in front of us. A beautiful white hamlet, hidden deep in the pine forest. And the story behind this place is incredible. For 50 years, this was a ghost town. In 1948, during the dictatorship of Franco, the civil guard forced every single resident to leave. They suspected the villagers were helping the Maquis, the rebels hiding in these mountains. Everyone had to pack up and go, leaving their homes to rot. For decades, it was just ruins and silence. Until 1998, when a man named Antonio returned to rebuild his childhood village, stone by stone. So today, we are not just walking through a pretty village. We are walking through a piece of living history. After 10 wonderful days at this campsite, it was time to hit the road again. Next stop, Tabernas. On the way, we pulled over for a quick coffee break, which seemed like the perfect opportunity to get some cinematic drone shots. I got a little overconfident and thought, hey, let's fly under that bridge. Bad idea. The drone vanished. We had to go on a search mission. But luckily, Tunny found it. It was lying upside down right under the bridge. Miraculously. It was completely undamaged. Phew. After that little heart attack, we arrived at Camper Park Route 66. What a cool spot. It's really cozy with a proper American-style bar. They have live music on weekends. And the food? Absolutely amazing. I think we are going to stay here for a while. Thank you so much for watching. It would be awesome if you could subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It really makes our day. We honestly have no idea what is on the schedule for next week yet, but knowing us, it's going to be fun. So keep an eye on our channel.